Hello everyone, this is Healthy Options with Maureen. Once more, you're welcome. Today we'll be making some lemon muffins. I actually will call it lemon or lime muffins because you could substitute either of them. Come with me as we make this. I know you will like it. Please, if you've not subscribed, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. I'll also be leaving a link to my channel below in the description box so you can check out other videos as this. Thank you. So for our lemon muffins, we'll be needing some whole wheat flour. I already sieved this, some oat flour, a little bit of salt, baking soda, fennel. This is ground fennel. I talked about fennel in my last video. This is completely optional. Honey, some lemon or lime juice, softened butter or melted butter, coconut oil or any neutral flavored vegetable oil, lemon zest, or if you don't have that, lime zest will work, some eggs, and then some yogurt. So I'm just going to show you how I went about getting my lemon or lime zest. Using your lemon and a fine grater, I've started grating this and I'm just going to finish up. You grate this way. You try to grate just the green part because that's the zest we are talking about, and even as you grate it, you'll find out that it comes out very easily. So that's what we have there. That's our lemon or lime zest, and you scrape out. Now we are going to start mixing up the muffins. We're going to start with our dry ingredients. This recipe is very easy. You can make it without an electric mixer. Using just your balloon whisk or your egg whisk, you can get this recipe ready in a question of minutes. So we have our whole wheat flour already sieved. It goes in. The oat flour goes in. Baking soda, salt, and then now I'm going to give it a good whisk with my balloon whisk. I whisk to combine to bring all the ingredients together. So right now I'm going to set this aside and I'm going to replace with another bowl for the wet ingredients. So we have another bowl for the wet ingredients. So the first thing that goes in will be the yogurt. The yogurt goes in, then the lemon juice, the honey goes in, lemon zest, softened butter or melted butter, coconut oil, the ground fennel goes in as well. I'm going to give this a really good whisk to combine the ingredients. Note that if you don't have your fennel seed, you can substitute it with just a little bit of vanilla extract and it will still work well. They both add flavor to it. Then we add our eggs in one at a time. I'm going to give that a good whisk. Then the last egg goes in. So now that we have it all mixed in, we'll start adding the flour mixture gradually into it. We add in 2 batches. So I'll just put half of the batch. I'll give it a good whisk. That does that. Then the second batch goes in. I already have a prepared muffin pan. And I'm going to start pouring our batter into it. Goes in as easy as that. I'm going to come back to show you what it looks like by the time I'm done filling in the muffin liner. So I have my muffins all filled up and I'll be placing it in the oven now. It will bake at 175 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I just got the muffins out of the oven. You can see how golden brown it looks. So you can actually have that with tea in the mornings, or you could pack it as a snack for your kids for school. So I just cut into one and you can see how it looks. It's really moist on the inside, and the yogurt was actually a contributing factor to make it moist and soft. I hope you give this recipe a go and let us know what your take is on it. Please do give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you.